Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Chef Chris, ABW's Executive Chef, with today's 2-minute ABW kitchen. We are demystifying the culinary arts by showcasing amazing appliances and showing you how easy it is to cook great food at home. Today we're going to be talking about steam cooking with the Thermador steam oven. Today's recipe is fresh steamed salmon. So today's ingredients will be fresh salmon, scallions or spring onions, cilantro, which is my favorite, ginger, and salt and pepper. We're also going to be using tamari and a little bit of olive oil. How are we going to do this? We're going to use it in our steam oven, and all you really need to do is put the ingredients in a steam pan and throw it in the steam oven. That's right, that's it. That's all you have to do. 5 minutes and it'll be done. Why a steam oven? Because this is a commercial type of steam. It pressurizes the food. It doesn't leach the nutrients and vitamins out of your food like a pot would. Second thing is it's much better for reheating food. It introduces the moisture back into your food instead of a microwave leaching the moisture out of it. Third thing is the cavity is much bigger than you might think. You can actually fit a 12-pound turkey in there. Look at how beautiful this salmon turned out. A little bit of cilantro, ginger, scallions. Then you get your really hot olive oil and just drizzle it over top of your salmon. After that, just a little bit of tamari and you're all ready to go. It's as easy as that. That is some kind of good. For more information on these products or any other appliances, please visit us on abwappliances.com. And remember, always keep trying new recipes. This is ABW's Executive Chef Chris signing out for today. Can't wait to see you next time. And thanks for watching ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. I gotta get some more of this.